What if one lens could replace your 24, 35, and 50 prime lenses while still staying compact, lightweight, and fast? That's exactly what Thypoch is trying to do with its first-ever autofocus lens. And honestly, this might be one of the biggest surprise camera releases of the year. This is not just another zoom lens. This is Thypoch entering the autofocus market for the very first time, and somehow they decided to start with one of the hardest lenses to make, a compact full-frame f2.8 zoom. After the early hands-on previews appeared online, photographers everywhere started asking the same question. Wait, is this actually good? Most zoom lenses try to cover every possible focal length, but this one takes a completely different approach. Instead of giving users an extreme zoom range, Thypoch focused on the three focal lengths photographers use the most: 24, 35, and 50. That is why the company calls it 3 primes in 1. And honestly, the idea makes a lot of sense. At 24, the lens works perfectly for landscapes, architecture, travel photography, and vlogging. Move to 35, and it suddenly becomes a fantastic street photography lens for everyday shooting. Then at 50, it transforms into a portrait lens capable of producing natural-looking subject separation and cinematic framing. Instead of carrying multiple prime lenses, this single zoom covers almost everything most creators need in daily shooting situations. But here is the crazy part. This is Thypoch's first autofocus lens ever, not their first autofocus zoom lens. Their first autofocus lens, period. And autofocus is one of the hardest technologies for lens manufacturers to perfect. Modern Sony cameras demand fast eye tracking, smooth focus transitions, accurate subject detection, and silent operation for video work. Big companies spend years refining autofocus systems, so naturally many photographers expected major compromises from Thypoch. But surprisingly, early testers were genuinely shocked by how refined this lens already feels. That alone makes this release extremely impressive. The design is another area where the lens stands out immediately. The first thing people noticed was the premium build quality. The lens features a solid metal construction that feels expensive and professional in the hand, while still keeping a clean and modern appearance that looks beautiful mounted on Sony cameras. One of the most important details is the internal zoom mechanism. The physical length of the lens does not extend outward while zooming. That may sound like a small feature, but for video creators it is a huge advantage. Internal zoom keeps the camera setup more balanced on gimbals, makes handheld shooting smoother, and gives the lens a more professional feel during operation. What makes this even more impressive is that the lens remains surprisingly compact despite offering a constant f2.8 aperture throughout the zoom range.